Hi, this is Ming Swan again. So I have my E36. Has been quite some time I haven't updated. Sorry about that for not having a very usual video update. That's because I had some brakes issue on the car. So I've done my brakes already. We are ready to do a 0 to 100 test to see how does this 25-year-old with 330,000 kilometers mileage, how will the engine still perform, and can it still do the BMW official specification of 8 seconds 0 to 100 time. So I think I'll be happy if we can just do somewhere like 9 seconds. How about you? What do you think it will do?
It will do 10.
10?
10.
Okay, so I say 9, you say 10. Okay, let's give it a try. It's a 25-year-old 325i manual with 330,000 kilometers on the clock, doing a 0 to 100 launch.